I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to transfer documents to Word. We'll cover several common methods, ensuring your files are compatible and editable. Whether you're working with PDFs, Google Docs, or other formats, I'll guide you through the process step by step. Our goal is to help you achieve seamless conversions while preserving your document's original look and feel. Let's get started on making your document transfers smooth and efficient. Converting a PDF to Word is a common task. You can use dedicated software like Adobe Acrobat, which offers robust conversion options. Many free online tools also provide this service. Simply upload your PDF and download the Word file. For simpler PDFs, opening the file directly in Microsoft Word can sometimes work, though formatting might require minor adjustments. Always review the converted document carefully to ensure accuracy. For Google Docs, the process is straightforward. Simply go to File, then Download and select Microsoft Word, docx. This creates an editable Word file. For other text-based documents, a simple copy and paste into a new Word document often suffices. Many applications also offer a Save As or Export option, allowing you to choose the Word format directly. Always confirm the output file type is docx for full compatibility. To ensure a smooth transfer, always save a copy of your original document before starting any conversion. This safeguards your work. After conversion, take a few moments to carefully review the new Word document. Check for any formatting discrepancies, missing images, or text errors. For highly complex documents with intricate layouts, investing in a professional conversion tool might yield better results and save you time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.